When Canadians look for a powerful and cost-effective trading platform, two names often rise above the rest: Interactive Brokers and Questrade. Both offer low fees, strong tools, and access to global markets. But they are built for different types of investors, and the experience feels very different depending on your skill level and trading style. Choosing the right one depends on how active you are and how much control you want over your trades. Let's begin with Interactive Brokers. This platform is known for its professional-grade tools. It gives Canadian traders access to a huge range of markets, including stocks, options, futures, currencies, and international exchanges. If you want depth, speed, and global reach, Interactive Brokers delivers. The platform is fast, precise, and built for serious investors who value advanced data. One of the biggest strengths of Interactive Brokers is its pricing. Fees are extremely competitive and often lower than many traditional Canadian brokers. This makes it attractive for active traders who place frequent orders. The platform also offers powerful charting tools, extensive order types, and the ability to trade in multiple currencies. These features help more experienced investors build complex strategies and manage global portfolios with ease. Now let's look at Questrade. Questrade is centered around accessibility. It is designed for Canadians who want a simple, affordable way to trade and invest without dealing with complicated tools. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, making it easy to place orders, manage positions, and track portfolios. For long-term investors, the experience feels smooth and straightforward. One of Questrade's standout features is its focus on lowering investing barriers. Buying exchange-traded funds is free, which makes it appealing for Canadians who want to build diversified portfolios without high costs. Questrade also offers managed options for investors who prefer automated portfolios rather than choosing stocks themselves. So which platform is best for Canadians? If you want professional-level tools, international markets, and some of the lowest trading fees available, choose Interactive Brokers. If you want a friendly interface, easy-to-understand features, and a platform built for long-term investing, choose Questrade. Both platforms help Canadians invest confidently. But the right one depends on how deeply you want to engage with the markets and how hands-on you want your trading experience to be.